Hello and welcome to the Photo Backup Stick video tutorial series. In this video we're going to be going over the options for the Windows app. This includes everything from removing duplicates to copying your backup to another location, to changing what types of files are backed up, and to organizing your backups. So in the Windows app, you'll notice here that we have the options page. If you click on the options button, we have the different things you can do. We'll start here with the different types of files that you can back up. So for images, the most popular images, almost every camera takes images in .jpeg or .jpeg, so they're both JPEG formats. We have other formats that are popular, PNG, GIF. Heic is a proprietary Apple format that most Apple cameras take. And over in movies, we have everything from MP4s to .mov to AVI. These are the most popular video formats. So if you know that you have images that you have in other formats other than the default, you can go ahead and click on any of these to back up different types of images. It's pretty simple. Select which ones you want to back up, or you can just go with the recommended ones, and that's how you can back up other types of files. Next, we have backup organization. Now, by default, it's going to have you keep your backups organized. This means that if you have your photos on your computer in folders by date or maybe by vacation or location or event, it's going to keep that structure on your photo backup stick, which is very convenient. If you spend a lot of time organizing your photos, they will all be organized. Now, if your photos are scattered throughout your computer and you've chosen to scan for photos everywhere, that might get a little cumbersome if you keep the backups organized, because if they're not organized on your computer, you're going to have them not organized on your stick. So you can change this to don't organize backups, and it will back up all the photos into one main folder on the photo backup stick. So that is what organizing backups is about. You can also change your language here on the options page. Or we have these other things, and some of these other things are very useful. First of all, if you back up from multiple devices, you may have duplicates of the same photo from different backups, or even it may find the same photo 4 or 5 times on your computer or on your phone. So you're going to have duplicates. This feature allows you to remove exact duplicates. When you click on remove duplicates, it's going to warn you that it's going to scan for exact duplicates only. This means that it looks at the file fingerprint, and as long as the photo is exactly the same, it hasn't been edited or filters haven't been applied, or it hasn't been resized, and it finds more than one copy, it's going to remove the extra copies of it. Keep in mind that a photo may look similar but not be an exact duplicate, and unfortunately there's no way to detect the duplicates that are similar but not exactly the same. This feature will remove the exact duplicates, and if you hit yes, it will scan all of your backups and remove duplicates across all of your backups, even if they're from different devices. So that's removing duplicates. Copying backups to computers or drives. We always recommend that you have more than one copy of your photos. So if you've backed up your photos and you've deleted them from your phone or computer to clear up space, we recommend that you copy them to another USB drive or another computer, because these drives are easy to lose or you may damage them. So you're going to want to have more than one copy of your backup. So you can use this feature to click copy to another drive, select the drive. So if you have a USB drive, you can click on the USB drive, or if you have a folder on your computer you want to back them up to, you can click on that and click the select folder, and it will copy your backup to that folder. The last feature under options is to convert HEIC to JPEG. As I mentioned, HEIC format is the Apple format. So your iPhones are going to take photos in HEIC format by default, as well as your Mac computers. However, most applications do not support HEIC. So if you load these HEIC photos onto your digital frame or your TV, they're not going to be able to display them unless you convert them. So this is a great tool to be able to convert them to the common JPEG format and then be able to display them on TVs or digital frames, or even take them to stores to be printed out on. So those are the features under options and how you can utilize them. Thank you for joining me today, and please visit our website for other video tutorials.